Army's Zorawar Light Tank, clears high-altitude firing tests in Ladakh. In a significant milestone for India's defense capabilities, the Indian Army's Zorawar Light Tank has successfully cleared high-altitude firing tests in Ladakh. Conducted at elevations over 4,200 meters in Yoma, these trials validated the tank's firepower, mobility, and precision in extreme conditions, addressing operational needs along the line of actual control with China. The Zorawar, an indigenous 25-ton light tank developed by DRDO's Combat Vehicles, Research and Development Establishment, and Larsen and Toubro, is designed specifically for high-altitude warfare. It overcomes limitations of heavier tanks like T-72 and T-90, which struggle in rarefied air and rugged terrains due to reduced engine efficiency and maneuverability. Named after General Zorawar Singh, conqueror of Ladakh, the tank features a modular design with amphibious capabilities. It incorporates artificial intelligence for enhanced situational awareness, drone integration for surveillance, and loitering munitions for targeted strikes, making it versatile against diverse threats in mountainous regions. The prototype, unveiled in July 2024, underwent preliminary automotive trials in Rajasthan's Mahajan Field Firing Range in September 2024. These desert tests confirmed its agility, speed, and basic firing accuracy, hitting designated targets with high first-round hit probability under harsh environmental stresses. Transitioning to high-altitude evaluations, the tank was airlifted by Indian Air Force C-17 Globemaster III to Ladakh in late 2024. At Nyoma, it demonstrated superior performance in sub-zero temperatures, navigating steep gradients and frozen landscapes while maintaining operational readiness without extensive warm-up periods. The firing tests in Ladakh involved multiple rounds from its 105mm Cockerel high-pressure rifled gun, capable of launching anti-tank guided missiles. The tank achieved consistent accuracy against static and simulated moving targets, showcasing its hunter-killer capabilities with advanced electro-optical systems and laser rangefinders. Secondary armaments, including a 7.622mm coaxial machine gun and 12.7mm remote-controlled weapon station, were tested for anti-air and ground roles. The active protection system effectively countered incoming threats, while modular armor provided enhanced survivability without compromising the tank's lightweight profile. Powered by a 760 horsepower Cummins VTA9US3E T76 Aero diesel engine in the prototype, Zorawar boasts a power-to-weight ratio of over 30 HP/ton. This enables speeds up to 70 km/h on roads and 35 to 40 km/h cross-country, ideal for rapid deployments in high-altitude battlefields. The transmission uses a Renk HMPT 800 hydrostatic mechanical system, ensuring smooth gear shifts and efficient power delivery in low-oxygen environments. Future variants may incorporate an indigenous 700-1000 HP engine, further boosting self-reliance under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Developmental trials concluded by January 2025, paving the way for user trials starting September 2025. These 12 to 18-month evaluations will assess the tank in summer, winter, and riverine conditions, including amphibious operations at Pangong Cho Lake for border defense scenarios. The second prototype, incorporating Army feedback like improved suspension and cooling systems, rolled out in September 2025. It features upgraded sensors for better situational awareness, addressing lessons from global conflicts like the Russia-Ukraine war for integrated unmanned systems. Zorawar's design emphasizes air transportability, with a crew of 3 and a weight under 25 tons. This allows quick relocation via aircraft, rail, or road, countering China's Type 15 light tanks deployed in Ladakh during the 2020-2021 standoff. The tank's armament suite includes twin anti-tank guided missile launchers and 16 smoke grenades for anti-thermal and anti-laser protection. Its Saffron Paseo sights provide thermal imaging and real-time targeting, enhancing effectiveness against armored vehicles, helicopters, and bunkers. Strategic implications are profound, with 354 units planned for induction by 2027 at a cost of R$17,500 crore. This bolsters India's armored regiments in high-altitude sectors, reducing logistical burdens and improving response times against potential incursions. Competition for additional units involves firms like Bharat Forge and Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, developing rival prototypes under the futuristic light tank program. Zorawar's success sets benchmarks for indigenous innovation in lightweight armored vehicles. High-altitude challenges such as engine freezing and reduced air pressure were mitigated through specialized materials and systems. The tank's low ground pressure ensures flotation in marshy areas, expanding its utility beyond mountains to riverine terrains. International collaborations minimized with Larsen and Toubro as lead integrator, involving MSMEs for components. This fosters a robust domestic supply chain, creating jobs and technological spin-offs for civilian applications in engineering and materials science. Upon full induction, Zorawar will equip 7 light tank regiments, transforming India's mountain warfare doctrine. It provides a decisive edge in rapid maneuvers and firepower, deterring adversaries in contested border regions like eastern Ladakh. Future upgrades may include enhanced AI for autonomous operations and integration with network-centric warfare systems. This positions the Indian Army as a leader in high-altitude armored capabilities, aligned with global trends in lightweight, agile platforms. The successful Ladakh trials underscore DRDO's prowess in overcoming historical setbacks in light tank development. From failed programs since 1982 to this achievement, Zorawar symbolizes India's commitment to self-reliant defense against evolving threats. Stay informed with globalinfovita.com.